Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first thing I want to say is please excuse my voice because I'm a little bit under the weather. For some reason I can't get rid of whatever's going on. Also, I was at the Auburn, Georgia game this weekend. If you guys follow me on Instagram and if you saw the game, you probably understand why my voice is so hoarse. That's what I have going on for me right now. But it was super fun. Today I wanted to bring in this video because I did just get this in the mail on Saturday when I wasn't here. And I wanted to share it with you guys and do a first impressions. And I feel like this is a risque video to do, especially because, you know, most of you know that I was not happy with the way the last launch of hers went. This is gonna be one of those things that I wanna say right off the bat, if you don't trust any influencer who does this, I mean, that's fine. You can totally wait to buy it until consumers purchase it and show it to you. I did purchase her last collection and then they gifted me this one. But I will say, if you don't, I know most of you value my opinion and I would love to let you know what I think of this. I didn't have a chance to do the last one because when the whole lipstick thing happened, I was pregnant with Mason. I didn't want to risk it for the biscuit. You know, I didn't want to do any of that stuff. So I never tried it out, but I did get a refund and mine did have issues with them. So wasn't super impressed with the first launch, as I know many of you were not. And of course, how it was handled. You know, moving forward, I do hope she has good quality control. I hope, you know, things are better with this launch. Like I said, if you don't want to purchase it, don't purchase it. It doesn't hurt my feelings. But I will say, just because I was gifted this doesn't mean that it alters my opinion. I just wanted to say, if you don't trust my opinion, that's fine. But just because it was sent to me doesn't mean that I'm going to give a biased review. I did watch this video when it first came out. And to be honest, even if I didn't get this PR package, I was going to purchase it because I love highlighters. I love trying a bunch of new highlighters. And these really intrigued me, especially with the 3 different types of highlighters that she has. Also, I will link her full video down below because I'm not going to swatch all the shades. And the reason why I'm not going to do that is because there is a bunch for medium to deep skin tones that I know I will not use after this video. There's going to be a ton of reviews showing you guys swatches on deeper skin tones. It's not going to really help you if I swatch on myself because I feel like you can't really get a true look of what it looks like, you know what I mean? And I know I won't use them as eyeshadow, so we'll be giving them away because I figured someone else could get good use out of them, and maybe I'll divide it up and do 2 winners, one for one palette, one for the other loose ones. I forget what they're called, but we're about to figure it out. Anyways, I don't have lipstick on. Oh my god. Yo, I just did my makeup. I just did that whole intro without a lip. How y'all gonna let me do that? Okay, let me put some lip product on real quick. This is in the color 110 Purely Nude, and it's just the Maybelline lip liner. The color Sensational, really, really great. Super soft. You can use it as a lip product, you know, just like as a lipstick, everything in one. This is the full collection. Again, I know you guys have seen it. Oh, wow. Okay. Maybe we'll do 3 separate giveaways. We'll do one for the palette, one for the little ones, one for the bigger ones. That way, 3 of you have a chance to win this. Yeah. Oh, God. Y'all, I gotta go work out. Why is that difficult for me right now? Let's take out the shades that I know I will use for myself. I am also excited about this brush. The other 2 I think are going to be good. We'll see. I am so obsessed with my Anastasia A23. I cannot tell you if I'll go away from them or not, but these 2 come in the collection and I love the handle. It is a gradient effect, but you have J02, J01, and then J03 is the one that I'm excited about. It's this little mini fan brush, but it's not stiff. It is very hard to find fan brushes like this that are soft and feel really good and have a lot of movement, but yet are precise, you know? So this is the darker palette. This is the Flare. This is one that I will be giving away, so I'm not gonna swatch it. I am sorry. But the packaging is super pretty. It is mirrored. It feels nice. It looks really good too. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break on me though when I drop it, because I will drop one of these one day. It feels sturdy, but nothing like too heavy to where everything's gonna bust, you know? That's one of the giveaway items. And then this is the other palette. So this is the Flash palette. These are her baked highlighters. These look so beautiful. I cannot wait to dive into these. There's so much highlighter, I don't know what to even put on my face, but I'm gonna try all of them. So I am gonna keep Do Me from the Luminous powder. This component is very, very pretty. I love how sleek it is. It's beautiful. It's something that's gonna look great on your vanity. And then I will be giving away these other shades. So we have Brighten Up, Carrots, Feeling It, and then we also have Brilliant. So this will be one giveaway too. I do want to say thank you, JACLYN, for sending this over because now I can give away items to people if they want to test it out. I'm going to keep Extra, and then I'm going to take a look. I'm actually think I'm going to keep Amp too. I'll keep those 2, and then these 3, which is, looks like a really pretty gold. So this is Bomb, this one is Megawatt, and this one is High Volt. And I'll try to wipe off my fingerprints, but I have not dug my fingers into these at all or swatched them. I haven't swatched anything so far. With these 3 different highlights, I want to do 3 different things, you know? So this one I want to use more so all on my cheek. This one I want to use like on my forehead, chin, nose, and like my upper lip and see how that looks. And then I want to pop it with this. If you could ask me what I'm most excited about and the thing that I would have probably purchased first if I couldn't get anything, it would be these little loose highlighters. Again, we're going to go ahead and go in with the Flash palette. I'll have all the prices listed in this video and down below as well. She did a full video on it and you could check it out. I guess I'll go ahead and use her brushes too just to see how they work. So this I would feel like is more so like my Anastasia A23. So it's the JO2 and I'll go ahead and use this one today. I'll swatch all of these as well. I mean, they're super pretty. I'm so sorry for my voice, you guys. So that's what it looks like. Just put my fingers in and swatch on the back of my hand. They look really pretty. I'm excited for these. So, and I don't think I have a baked highlighter that I love. I think it's hard to find baked highlighters that are really intense. You know, I feel like most of them are like subtle. So we'll see how this one looks. I think I'm gonna go in with Gleam first because Gleam is just drawing my eye. So that is this one right here. Again, here's a little close-up of the palette too, if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna dip my brush in here and we're going to put this one on. That's really pretty. This brush is actually really nice. I'll be interested to see, I think I'm gonna use my A23 on this side of my face just to see if there's a difference with how much pigment comes off of my face. But this is, it looks really smooth. I mean, I have texture more so in this area because of my rosacea and everything like that. But it looks really nice and it's very pigmented. So far, I really like that. I will take my Anastasia A23 on this other side and I think I wanna try Iced. Let's just see. Wow. Yeah, I can see a little bit like of my pores and stuff in this area for sure. Like, I don't know if it's this side. I think I like her brush better for like a more precise application on the top of my cheekbone. And then the A23 kind of goes a little bit more all over because it's more fluffy. And then in this area, I can kind of see my pores. So I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. And I'm gonna take the blush brush that I used and I'm just gonna go back. That's one reason why I'm really excited to try this one. I would like to see how it looks more so around the cheek area for that nice pop. But I think I prefer her brush, to be honest, over this one for this highlight palette. Now we're gonna go into this Do Me Luminous powder. This is really pretty. I love this. I don't think I would use this all over my face. I know they say you can. I don't know. I get nervous with texture and oily skin. A lot of the times, powders that make you look luminous all over that you can use as a face powder just make me look like a train wreck. So I probably won't do that, but you know, it'll be trial and error. I'll have to try it out and just see. Went ahead and zoomed you guys in. I don't know why I forgot to do that, but I'm sorry. I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna use her bigger, fluffier brush so you can see the difference between JO2 and JO1. Definitely is quite a bit bigger. That's the side, that's the front. So I'm gonna take this powder. So it looks like there. And first thing I'm gonna do is highlight my forehead and stuff with this. Kind of just swirled it around in the cap to get it in the brush. And then I wanna just see what it looks like in the center of my forehead. Now for like a really intense glow. Okay. I can see in person that there's like a subtle glow. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's definitely right in there. I'm gonna do my chin. Oh yeah, you can tell there for sure. It just adds some light. And then of course my nose. Is it crazy? No, but that's her intent with it, you know, to use it as a face powder and stuff like that. She says you can build it up if you spray your brush. So maybe try that. Let's see if I can make my cheeks pop a little bit more. Yeah, this side's not looking too hot that I used with this brush. But I think having more of a precise brush and not going so far down on the pores would be better. I'm gonna go ahead and say if you're gonna use this too, use a precise brush because I don't think you're gonna wanna use this all over the cheek. I mean, maybe if that's your style, but I think it might be too intense for my skin. But like this side looks great. Yeah, I can definitely see it. It definitely looks like a glow and I like that. I think it looks really pretty. Now for the one that I'm most excited about. These, the loose highlighters. I'm gonna take Extra first because Extra is the one that I've had my eye on. And then I knew if I was gonna get one, it was gonna be this. Little bit goes a long way. from what I saw. Take this one, and then with this one, I can just tell. I like that not a lot comes out on the sifter as well. I'm gonna show you guys, because I did tip it over, pat some out, and that's how much came out. I think that's really good, especially with a product like this where you don't want to use a ton. I'm gonna again just dip it into the cap, tap it off, kind of like a Bare Minerals move, and I'm gonna apply it literally like right here in the center just for that extra pop. Jeez. Whoa, that's super intense. Super intense. I'm gonna go through right here and just kind of buff that. I think this brush will be so good for nose highlight, because you really got to get that straight line of a highlight on your nose to like really give it that effect. That's pretty. And then also underneath, I'm going to put some underneath my brow too, because I don't have anything underneath my brow at this point. So I'm going to take the same brush, which probably is not the best idea, but I'm just going to do it anyways. Look at that. I barely tapped underneath my brow. Barely. I got some in my brow, but that's fine. We can dust that out. Oh my gosh. I think what's cool about this collection is there's 3 different types of highlights. So it's kind of catering to whatever highlight that you want, you know? I mean, I will say, like in camera, I don't think I've ever been so glowy, but I really like it. Like this, I think this one's gonna be really nice for the center of my face, because it's hard to take an intense highlight that I love on my cheeks down my face as well, because it just looks a little crazy and it's too intense for me. And just with my texture and stuff, I can't do that. This is very smooth and I love it. Like my chin right now, I love the look of that. I think that is so pretty. If you have texture on your skin, I would use this more as like a targeted area. Let's do whatever's left on here. Like there's a little bit goes a long way with this product. Now that I've tried them all, and say that I, as a consumer, could try them before I buy them, like if you were testing them in store or something, the 2 products I would 100% get are the Luminous powder, because I think this is great if you have oily skin, textured skin. It's just, it looks so pretty. I really like this product. I wouldn't use this as a face powder, but I would use it to target those areas that I have a hard time highlighting, just for my skin type. Next up, I would purchase this loose highlighter, because it is so pretty. And you could just target this in those areas. I mean, my highlight on my brow looks insane, and that's just from a little bit. This is gonna last you such a long time. It's in a small component, but that's because you need the littlest amount of this product, and it's just so intense. This side of my face looks really, really good. I will say I would totally purchase this brush, and if you really wanna get crazy, I would purchase this one too for that precise application. If you already have a brush like this, you might not need it. But for me, I don't really have a brush like this that I like, and this one's perfect. So I would purchase this one, but I would pass on this little guy, because I could just use this for, you know, all over face. These 2 are the JO2 and JO3. And then last thing, I don't think it's a necessary for me, but I do think it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna play with it a little bit more and just see. So far, I like the first shade that I used in this, the Flash palette, which is Gleam. So that's it right there. I do think it's really pretty. I don't think it's bad at all. I do think I need to use her brush with it, because if I go a little too far down on my pores, it does accentuate them. So I like everything from each little part of this holiday collection, but these 2, they're good, girl. They're good. Let me swatch this one real quick. This one is Amped, and this is the other one that I was keeping that is a little bit more pink. I wanted to kind of try this out. So let's just see what this looks like. Actually, no. Okay, I didn't open it, I swear. I'm gonna give this away too, because let's be real, I'm gonna go back into this one more than anything, so I'm just gonna give this one away. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you like the highlight? I think it looks, I look so glowy. I love it. I would love to know if you're gonna pick anything up from this collection. If you're entering the giveaway, good luck. I hope whoever wins loves these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bye.